guys, so I'm gonna show you how to fix your LC1 leak code LC1 leak code error in Samsung washing machine. So my washing machine is see, it's Samsung and it's actually working now. First, because the reason why it was there, that ding 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 LC1 noise is there, is because obviously I was trying to do a cleaning of the drum of my washing machine, and it's supposed to finish 1 hour and 44 minutes. And my mistake, my bad, that I really put too much soap on it, that all the suds came up to, so this was filled with soap and it was leaking here until here, and that's why it was everywhere here was wet. So what I did first is I wiped, I cleaned this one, I removed it, and I wiped everything here. So I tried to make it dry everywhere. So it didn't work. I wiped too much. I tried to reach at the bottom of the washing machine, wipe it dry, but it still didn't, because obviously the sensor is inside. So what I'm gonna do is, obviously I tried to blow dry it and it worked. So I'm gonna show you in this next video. Basically it won't stop like this, and I tried drying it as much as I can, trying to wipe here, but I don't know, I think I need to call someone or contact someone to fix this, because obviously the sensor is here. But what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna use a blower. So I'm gonna blow from here at the bottom. We'll see about it if it works. So yay, it actually worked. So I blow dried it actually here, and I open this one, and I cannot take this out. I'm not a mechanic and I don't know how, and it's kind of really actually difficult, because on top of my washing machine is my dryer. So what I did is I just blowed here into high in this hole until, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. So I was blowing it for 10 minutes. I have to rest, obviously the blower must rest, and so I keep touching at the bottom, and every time I blow here, every time it blows here, some water comes out from here in the bottom. So it actually worked, because now there is no more the annoying sound of LC1 error code. So I can actually continue my, this is drum Reinigung. This is drum cleaning. It means earlier I was doing the cleaning of my drum and it wasn't finished, so I don't know if I can finish that now, but it worked, thank God. I don't need to call someone or contact someone. So it's actually, so my drum is not fully cleaned yet, but I will make another video how to clean the drum. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.